Description: the ultimate hydrating, repairing and reconstructing treatment for medium to coarse hair textures. Perfect for damaged, dry, or color-treated hair. Benefits: leaves hair detangled, silky, and frizz-free. Improves hair health, shine, and elasticity. Suggested use: after shampooing, apply from mid-lengths to ends. Leave for 5 to 10 minutes, rinse thoroughly. Use 1 to 2 times per week. Hydrate, nourish, protect. Color safe, 92% naturally derived, cruelty-free and 100% vegan. Nourishing Repair Masque revitalizes dry, damaged, color-treated hair with an instant moisture boost. The mask nourishes from within to help repair and defend against future breakage. Benefits: replenishes moisture with no heavy buildup. Strengthens and improves elasticity. Instantly detangles and reduces frizz. Usage: after shampooing, apply to hair and comb through. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Macadamia oil contains omega-3, 6, 7 and 9. Adds shine while fighting off brittle strands. Argan oil contains omega-3, 6 and 9. Restores softness and strength. Glycerin, humectant that helps pull moisture into the hair. Top reviews from the United States. How did I live without this? I've spent so much money and never had the great results on my damaged hair until I tried this. Even my hairdresser, who gets me to buy every repair product, which sadly never works, was shocked at the results. The only thing I do differently is that I keep it on for up to an hour with a shower cap on. Great product.